again, everybody. So I'm trying to do a little video today, film the workers, progress they're doing and finishing up on ceiling, roof, making some coffee. And of course, it being Tuesday, I need to gather all the trash to get rid of. I'm making a real mess here. Pardon. So I'm gonna drink this real quick, then go busy compiling the trash, try to clean up the yard real quick and get rid of some other things that need to go out with the trash pickup. Then when my workers come in, we'll go around, check on them, see what they doing. I thought they would have made it a little bit farther yesterday by my estimations, but I think some other things are going on. But anyway, we're gonna check in later and check that out. So let me suck this down and get busy because the truck will be here. Probably in about an hour, so I got an hour, maybe hour and a half to gather some trash together and get rid of it. So we'll check back in later. Well, just finished with the gathering some of the trash. Wasn't too successful today because I was rushing, but trash is what I could get rid of is gone, especially the trash from the kitchen. That's most important. And my nephew needed to go get some more supplies to continue the roof repair and chiseling away of that rim around the roof of the house. So I'm waiting for him to come back. Then I'll get a little video, check in on what's going on the other side of the house. So just got the yard somewhat clean. It's okay. I wasn't as successful getting rid of a lot of things as I usually am. I think I started too late. But I'm gonna wait for him to come back, then I'll start rolling again. And of course, as you can see here, our materials have arrived. So the store where our nephew boy bought this from has delivered more concrete and drain covers, I think, for the top of the roof. So, and we'll check out other things going on with the work crew. They're still working on top of the roof, adding more cement, leveling it out so water doesn't pool and set there. Got one of the workers up here. I'm hoping they'll be finished with this side here, chipping away that stuff that's falling down up there. But you only got about 3 feet to go. And they've been cleaning up nicely a lot of the debris, as you see here. Seems like this is a little hard because it's not that plaster stuff, it's like concrete. But as you can see on the corner there, spraying off, coming down. So it's working. I'm gonna have to pick some of the vegetables here along the wall here, because when they start chipping away at things, it's going to destroy that. So trying to protect the garden as much as possible, because I had some watermelon plants just pop up out of the blue. So big watermelon there starting to grow. So now it's a garden update. Only got one pepper plant still living. So what we're doing with a lot of the debris is filling up places in the yard that are a little bit low, we can say. So I'm lining it along the fence line here and busting up a lot of the bigger pieces so that they ain't used, and I'm trying to spread it out as much as possible. Yard kind of goes down here, so it's a nice fill in, and then we'll kind of level that out with some gravel. Got a lot of stuff laying around to pick up. Endless pickup. But it's really keeping me in shape, I can tell you that. I lost like a tremendous amount of work working here in the yard. So that's an update on that, because there's some things I need to do. 10 million things, from cleaning up the house. I want to fill up a few low areas over there, pick up a few coconuts, wash the truck, work on whittling down this pile. So what I try to do is just hit a little bit of something every day. So that is an update as things are going, and hopefully there'll be something new to show like tomorrow, maybe. Let me see if I can get put a special guest on. Hold on. Snow, what's up? She follows me everywhere. I know what you want. I buy her smoked fish. She done made it all. So telling her, sorry, you gotta wait till the fish lady comes by, where you can get some more smoked fish. She loves that stuff. She tears it apart. But anyhow, so anyway, that's an update from now. So hope you all enjoy this. I appreciate all the comments I've received. So thank you. For me, no, we say goodbye. Y'all have a nice day. Thank you.